In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Drive from Canva. If you've linked your Google account to Canva for importing files or signing in, but now you want to remove that connection, maybe you're switching accounts, tightening privacy, or troubleshooting, this walkthrough will make it simple. Don't worry, disconnecting won't delete any of your existing Canva designs. It only removes Canva's permission to access your Google Drive going forward. Start by opening your browser and heading to a search page. Type Canva into the search bar and select the official Canva website from the results. Once the Canva homepage loads, sign into your account if you aren't already. You'll land on your Canva dashboard. Look down to the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile photo or your initials. Click that profile button to open your account options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to the main account settings area where you can manage your personal preferences and connected services. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connected Social Accounts. This is where Canva lists any accounts you've linked, including Google. Locate the Google entry in this list. Depending on how it's displayed, it may simply say Google, or you might see it associated with Drive access. Either way, this is the connection you'll remove. Click Disconnect next to Google. Canva will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Read the message so you understand that this action revokes Canva's access to your Google Drive and may sign you out of any Google-linked features. When you're ready, click Disconnect again to confirm. After you confirm, the Google connection will be removed. That means Canva will no longer be able to browse or import files from your Google Drive unless you choose to reconnect in the future. Your existing designs remain safe in Canva, and any files you already imported stay in your projects. If you don't see Google listed under Connected Social Accounts, it usually means the account isn't currently linked. Try refreshing the page or double-check that you're in the correct Canva account. If you're using a team or organization account, and you don't have permission to manage connections, you may need an admin to make this change. That's it. You've successfully disconnected Google Drive from Canva. If you ever want to reconnect later, you can do so from Canva's apps or upload options and reauthorize access when prompted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your account exactly how you want it.